So I heard you were looking for a perfect everyday wig, a wig that you don't need to glue down, a wig that comes fully ready to wear straight out of the box, a wig that matches your hair texture in its blown out state perfectly, a wig that does not require baby hairs. Well, look no further because I found your next wig. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝐏𝐫𝐞. Don't forget to like, comment, and share before you leave. Today's video is going to be all about this perfect wig that you just saw me wearing. Like seriously, it doesn't get any better than this wig. This wig is from Myfirstwig. I'll have all of the information, the link, and wig details in the description box, so check down below to click the link. The wig that I received is 16 inches, and this is a 13x6 air lace front wig. The density is 130%, and the hair texture is 𝐏𝐫𝐞, which mimics Afro relaxed hair. I can confirm that this hair texture is the truth. It's my favorite hair texture ever because of how flawlessly and seamlessly it blends into my hair. This hair texture is completely unclockable, especially for the girlies who love to wear their wigs behind their hairlines. This wig will blend into your hairline so seamlessly. So this perfect wig is from Myfirstwig's new Pre-Everything collection, where all of their pre-everything wigs come ready to wear with a pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached knots, pre-styled, and the wigs come with pre-cut lace. These wigs are meant to be worn glueless, which is why this will be your favorite go-to wig. I cannot wait for you to see how this lace line just disappears into my skin without any customizing. This cap construction includes 3 combs, an adjustable strap, and a removable elastic band. This is a 13x6 wig cap construction, so of course you can part it straight from your forehead on back in a middle part with full 6 inches of parting, and you also have very, very deep parting space on the left and right sides of your head. This wig did come with a side part, so I am going to keep the side part that came with the wig because it is pre-styled when you get it. But then later on in the video, I am going to do a deep middle part so you can just see the different hairstyles that you can do with this wig. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is tint the lace. This is always an optional step. You do not have to do this. In fact, if you're not wearing makeup with your install, do not tint your lace. You don't need it. So I'm grabbing 2 different colors of lace tint. The first one is the color of my foundation, which I'll be spraying on the underside of lace where my hairline is. The second color is a few shades lighter than the first one, and I'm spraying that on the inner portion of lace on the underside of lace. I am doing 2 layers of each color of lace tint, and that's going to give me a custom color match for my complexion. Okay. Time for styling. I'm grabbing 𝐏𝐫𝐞-𝗠's hair wax stick. I'm just going to apply that to the hairline, and I'm basically just applying it to the hairline in the direction that I want the hairs to go into, and then I am going to also apply it to the parting space. Use my rat tail comb to smooth that product through the hair, and then use my pressing comb to get this product to really mold and shape the hairs to go into the direction that I want it to go into. Smoothing the hairlines down with that hair wax stick and pressing comb just takes your wig up 100 notches. It gives it such a neat, clean, and professional look. It makes your install just look so flawless. That's one of my favorite parts about styling hair. All right, so now I'm grabbing BioSilk's Silk Infusion Hair Serum. Apply that to the hair, and then in small sections, I'm just going to flat iron the hair and then lightly bump it at the ends. So now I am spraying a brushable hairspray. This one is from Sebastian, and this is their Shaper Spray. I love how natural this 130% density is, but I especially love how the ends of this wig is thick. So this right here is the moment that I've been waiting for you to see. There's no lace line. The lace erased into my skin instantly. If you've made it this far into this video, hashtag no lace line in the comment section. The lace is a little bit too long on me. As you can see, it's covering my ears on both sides. I have the option to cut my ear shape out, or I can leave it as is. I'm just going to leave it as is and just style around that. Baby hairs are always optional on your wigs. My hairline is a lower hairline. I have more of a round hairline, and wigs normally typically come in more of a square hairline, so my hairline does always show through. Therefore, I am going to add some baby hairs onto this wig, but I am going to just use adhesive on the left and right sides where the ear tabs are, just to keep the ear tabs down because they're too long for my ears and I didn't want to cut the ear shape out. So that is the only reason why I did use adhesive. You can completely skip the adhesive because this is a glueless wig. Notice that I'm only using adhesive on the left and right sides for a little bit of extra security, but the entire front of my forehead does not have any glue or adhesive at all. Here's how it looks without baby hairs. I did add some baby hairs off camera. Here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comment section. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct link to the wig worn in this video in the description box, so check down below before you leave. Let's chat everything hair. Have you ever tried any wigs from Myfirstwig? I highly recommend their 𝐏𝐫𝐞 wigs, and I highly recommend, if you are a beginner, their Pre-everything wig line. You guys are going to fall in love with your wigs from Myfirstwig. You really are. Like, they're top of the line, best on the market. I love, 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 love every single wig that I have gotten from Myfirstwig. This wig just looks like a head full of healthy, natural hair, and I love that. Are you a fan of the Pre-everything wigs that are on the market? Do you feel like something is missing in the wig industry? Let's chat in the comments. Do you prefer this wig with a middle part or a side part? How would you wear this wig? Let me know your style ideas in the comment section. Don't forget to share, follow, and like for more, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
𝐏𝐫𝐞-𝗠₅. Yeah, that's right. It's 𝐏𝐫𝐞-𝗠₅.